Hello, my name's Richard, and in this short video I want to show you how transfer aids can be used with the Configura Comfort chair. The Configura Comfort was designed particularly to be compatible with products like this e-tac product and also the Handicare return and the Cricket. This is because it has a horseshoe shaped subframe which allows clear space to push the transfer aid as close as you need to the chair. Most chairs have a bar across the front which prevents the transfer aid from getting in close enough. So for example, with this e-tac razor I can actually push it right into the chair as close as I need to. As you can see here, the chair is in the fully raised position. When the chair is in the normal sitting position, in other words fully down, there isn't space to fit the transfer aid under the chair at that point. So as you can see here now, as the chair lowers, the leg rest comes right to the floor nearly. So at this point, obviously we can't actually get the transfer aid underneath. So in order to expose the transfer aid compatible subframe, in other words the horseshoe design, the chair has to be raised a certain amount. Now in the case of this MoLift razor, it's not very much. If I just raise it up 2 or 3 inches, it will go under nicely. And as you can see, the chair is not raised very much. This is actually on the standard rise position, not the vertical rise or the medium rise, just on the standard rise. With the Cricket transfer aid, you do have to raise the chair up slightly more, but then again, not too much. So the important point here to be aware of is that in order to use the compatibility of the chair with the transfer aid, the chair does have to be risen slightly. Now if this angle or the amount of rise was not appropriate for the user, if they felt perhaps they were slipping forward, the chair can be adjusted to vertical rise so that there's no tilt on the chair. But in a lot of cases, just the standard rise is sufficient. Just rise it up a little bit by about 2 inches and you can slide the transfer aid underneath. Hopefully this video is helpful to show how the Comfort is compatible with the Handicare return, the e-tac razor and the Cricket. Thank you.